You already know how amazing fried food tastes, right? That crunchy, crispy bite. It's basically irresistible, especially when it's still warm and fresh out of the fryer. But have you ever wondered what you're actually feeding your body, besides just a delicious snack? Let's start with a fact that might make you think twice before grabbing that street-side fritter: the oil. Yep, most fried foods are made using oil that's reused over and over again. Not only does this make things extra crunchy, but it also transforms the oil into something called trans fat. And trans fat, it's like a stealth assassin for your body. You can't see it, but it's messing up your blood vessels. Every time that oil gets reheated, it releases harmful compounds like acrolein, a known carcinogen. And no, blotting your food with a napkin doesn't remove it. It's already in your food, and soon in your stomach. Still craving that fritter? Here's more. Fried foods are super high in calories and low in nutrients. One stuffed tofu ball can have 150-200 calories, but almost no real nutrition. So basically, you're getting fake fullness and real fat. And it gets worse. Regular fried food intake increases your risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and stroke. According to Harvard research, eating fried food 4 times a week raises your heart disease risk by 37%. That's not just scary, it's wild. Want to know something else? Fried food messes with your brain too. The trans fat it carries disrupts brain cell connections. So if you feel sleepy, unfocused, or irritated after snacking on fried food, it's not in your head, it's in your food. And yep, fried food can speed up aging. Seriously, reheated oil generates free radicals, those nasty molecules that damage your cells and break down collagen in your skin. Translation? More wrinkles sooner. Want to stay young? Fried food's not your bestie. Now maybe you're thinking, come on, I eat fried food every day and I feel fine. Sure, for now, but disease is like debt. It builds up quietly. One day it hits and you're like, wait, was it those snacks I ate every afternoon? This doesn't mean you have to hate fried food. It's all about balance. If you make it yourself, use fresh oil, and eat it occasionally, you're already doing better. But if you're buying from that vendor with oil darker than your coffee, well, you know what that means. So starting today, be smarter about what you put in your body. You don't need to quit fried food. Just know when to stop. Your body's not disposable. It's your one true home. If this video gave you something to think about, don't forget to hit like, share it with your fried food-loving friends, and subscribe for more smart, eye-opening content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for smarter health.